Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what you're going to see means about unboxing of Thomson TV. It's a 24-inch HD TV. It's not a smart TV. It's normal HD TV. I bought this TV in Flipkart at 7,499 rupees, and we can unbox it now. Okay, now I'm tearing. It is a HD TV. It's not a full HD TV with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Okay. Now let's take this TV out from this box. Just a minute, I am removing the thermocol. Oops, it's really hard to take out. And sorry for background, guys. Okay, let's first see what contains in this box. Okay, I'm going to open this pack. You can see this is a user manual guide. Okay, I am opening this. Let's see what they have given. Okay, this is a warranty card, and this is a user manual guide. You can see this is normal user manual guide only. Next we can take what they have given. Yeah, these two stands for the TV, tabletop stands. And next is, yeah, this is the TV remote. It's very slim, guys, slim and sleek. Okay, this and all the screws for wall mounting purposes. This is a AAA battery for remote. And okay, let's now take TV now. Yeah, here you can see this is the Thomson LED TV. It's one of the best buy, guys. This TV very cheap, 1,499. Okay, it's a reasonable price only. Yeah, now we have taken this cover. Yeah, this is the Thomson LED TV 24-inch. Here you can see how it is, guys. Just tell in a below comment section. Okay, let's see. Here you can see there is a two USB ports and two HDMI ports are there. Here you can see, and audio output or video output is there. Two USB and here two HDMI ports were there, and one is cable TV input port. And okay, guys, this is the overview of Thomson LED TV. Okay, now I'm going to turn on this TV. Now I'm going to connect my Amazon Fire Stick before turning on. That's okay, no issues. I will connect afterwards. Okay, let's first turn on this TV. You can see Thomson friendly technology. This is one of the best buy budget TV. Yeah, now I'm going to connect Amazon Fire TV Stick, guys. I'm not going to use cable connection. I'm going to use Amazon Fire TV Stick for this TV. Okay, guys, anyway, thanks for watching this video, and if you're having any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. Hope you have enjoyed this video.